Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE Prepaid from Verizon. Let's see what it offers. Design and display. Sleek and lightweight, with Armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Comes in navy, jet black, and icy blue. 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED, 2x display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Smooth and vibrant. Performance. Faster CPU, GPU, and NPU than the Galaxy S24 FE. Storage options. 128 GB or 256 GB with 8 GB RAM. Runs Android 16 with One UI 8, with Samsung's latest AI features, camera and AI features. Rear, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses with 3 times optical zoom. Front, 12 megapixels with Pro Visual Engine. AI tools. Generative Edit for audio object adjustments and Gemini Live for live camera sharing. Battery and charging. 4,900 mAh. Typical usage lasts all day. Supports. Super fast charging 2.0, 45-watt charger sold separately, and wireless charging. Pros and cons. Pros. Great build, smooth display, strong cameras, useful AI, solid battery. Cons. Fast charger not included. Battery drains faster with heavy usage and mid-range pricing, but it is fair for features. Pricing and value. Prepaid, so no long contract. Storage options. 128 GB for $649.99 or 256 GB for $709.99. Outro and call to action. The Galaxy S25 FE is a mid-range flagship with strong AI tools, a durable build, and a great display. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment. Are the AI features worth it? Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.